to Cooking Cutie Pie AI, where we fuse the power of AI into delicious cooking. So today we're going to make this creamy, sweet, refreshing chia seed and fresh fruit dessert. Here are the ingredients that I used today. I will list them in the description box below. Without further ado, let's dive into this recipe. The very first step, we will adding 3 tablespoons of dried chia seed into the cup, and then we'll soak that with about 1 cup of water or more to soak the chia seed and let it expand before we use it in our dessert, alright? Give it a stir or mix to prevent the chia seed forming into lump or clump together. Set that aside. So while waiting for the chia seed to expand, we'll prepare and cut some fruit that will mix with the chia seed for the dessert today, alright? So here I will cut some grape. This recipe you can modify or adjust to or add any type of fruit or your favorite fruit in this recipe, alright? Now I will cut some strawberry. This recipe is very delicious and refreshing, especially in summer, but it's great for any occasion, any season, any time of the year, of the day, alright? I will add some cantaloupe in my dessert as well. If you like honeydew or watermelon, you can add those in as well. Any kind of fruit that you like is perfect for this recipe. I love dragon fruit, so here I will add some in mine as well. Leave me a comment down below which fruit is your favorite and which one you like the most, which one you like the least in my video here. I would like to know yours as well. This is apple. I also add some orange into my dessert today. So if you don't like orange in there, you can certainly omit that, alright? If you're new to the channel, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our new upcoming video. If you are already subscribed to Cooking Cutie Pie AI channel, we thank you and appreciate your continuing support our channel. I'm adding some avocado here as I love the creaminess from the avocado. I love eating or having some dessert, especially in the summer, because it's so hot and you want something to freshen up, correct? So I like to go with the healthier version of the dessert. So that's why I created this recipe for myself and my family. Alright, so after we're done preparing, let's look at what we have here. Some orange, apple, dragon fruit, avocado, cantaloupe, strawberry, grape, and if you have kiwi, you have any watermelon, honeydew, anything that you like, okay? And look at the chia seed that has been soaking for about 10 to 20 minutes. It gets thickened and creamier. Today I'm using the sugar-free syrup, which is vanilla flavor. If you have any regular one that has sugar in there, feel free to use it, alright? And I'm using some half and half in here. You can use coconut milk, almond milk, oat milk, or just the regular milk that you like, okay? My kid would like to add some banana, so I will cut one banana in there as well. Leave a comment down below to let me know, have you ever tried this dessert before? Or have you ever made it for yourself, your family before? If not, let's give it a try, and I'm sure your family gonna love it. Okay, so we have prepared everything that we need for this dessert, and I will get ready to mix everything together. As here, I will mix some for my kids. Like I said earlier, if you have prepare multiple fruit in there, and if your kids or your children don't like any specific type of fruit, they will have an option to choose which one they like, right? And it's very, very easy to make and very appetizing. So they will choose whatever fruit they like. They will just add the cream half and half and the syrup in there, and then they will enjoy it. As for my kid, they don't like chia seeds, so I'll just add the fruit with the cream and then the syrup only. Oh, very delicious. Now it's time to mix for myself. I will add some chia seed into the bowl. I love everything in here, so I will add one of each. You can make this dessert substitute for the tapioca pearl dessert, which is this one will have lower carb, healthier, and cleaner if you prefer. But if you prefer the nava or namban or tapioca pearl pudding, that is also perfect. It has its own taste, its own benefit, so it's up to you which one you choose, and you can choose to make this version or the other. I'm adding some more chia seed in there. Chia seed is very healthy and good for your health, your body. A chia seed contains many nutrition and lots of fiber in there. Alright, so once you're done adding everything in there, we'll just add some half and half. Finally, the sugar-free vanilla syrup, about 1 tablespoon or so. Then we'll mix it together. Oh, it looks so good already. Oh my goodness. You can always modify or adjust your sweetness to your preference, alright? There you have it, our sweet, creamy, and refreshing chia seed with fresh fruit dessert brought to life with the help of AI. Give this recipe a try and let us know in the comment down below how it turned out for you. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Stay tuned for more AI-powered recipe from AI Culinary Creation. Until next time, happy cooking!